The old railroad bed on Snake Road in Culver, PA. Just want to make it a little documentary at the place. Culver's 102 years old, and this is the old railroad bed that the old train used to come in for the old coal mine towns. Up here, probably like a mile or two, here's a fork. Left goes out off towards Belsane and White Mill. On the right goes off towards Indiana. You can see some of the bricks that are around here. Yeah, quatters were on here a whole bunch of times. Yeah. Jeez, they're on there a lot too. Blackberries. And I'm actually surprised that the bed is still in this good shape with all the quads that have been on here that have been probably tearing it up, doing whatever back here. But crap happens. Alright. I'll post another video whenever I get up there a little ways and to where the fork is. Oh, spring. Never knew that was there. And I've been back here tons of times.